Stellantis, the automaker behind Jeep, Dodge, and Chrysler, announced plans to lay off 1,100 workers at its Warren truck assembly plant in Michigan, a move affecting over 20% of the facility's workforce. The cuts come as part of Stellantis's restructuring to address declining demand for specific models, such as the Jeep Wagoneer and Ram 1500 Classic. This change follows the automaker's strategic shift toward electrification, with the Warren facility expected to retool for producing the electrified Jeep Wagoneer by 2025. The layoffs, which officially began on October 21st, are driven by both immediate production challenges and broader shifts in consumer preference. As demand for pricier models decreases, Stellantis's profits in North America have faced a substantial drop, with recent reports indicating a 48% year-over-year decline in profit for the first half of 2024. The company plans to downsize costs as it attempts to navigate an increasingly volatile auto market, where high prices and slower electric vehicle adoption have created hurdles for traditional manufacturers. Stellantis is also currently in negotiations with the United Auto Workers, UAW, which has pushed back on these layoffs, citing alleged mismanagement and highlighting the broader effects on worker stability. Stellantis, in turn, has emphasized that such layoffs are necessary to maintain competitive pricing. However, tensions remain high as the union pressures Stellantis for additional support for displaced employees, framing these cuts as a consequence of financial choices, including stock buybacks earlier in 2024. This layoff event underscores Stellantis's struggles to align with market demand and consumer sentiment. Although Stellantis has reported profitability in recent quarters, this latest decision reflects its attempt to balance cost reductions with an accelerated shift to electric vehicle production across its lineup.